Hello and welcome back to our series. We have already done the operator overloading of binary operator, and we will know little about unary operator. We have discussed about unary operator also. What are they? Now here we have the class of previous video, and I will here declare here many object. I will make this two only. This will initialize value here, y is equal to 0 to here, and here I will pass int b. Here y is equal to b. Suppose I am creating here p overload obj, and I am passing suppose here two variables, suppose 10 and 20, and I need this to be converted into minus here. Here I want to convert this to minus, and I will do this programming as we have done in previous video. It will be short video and easy video. Let's print here x is equal to x, and y will be is equal to y. Give the space so that it will seem so little bit attractive while we are running, and it will make us fun. If it is not attractive, and it will discourage us, so we should encourage, not discourage. Let's make the function operator minus here. First of all, I want to make, I have already made the object, so I want to make object minus obj. It is not possible if we don't make this function here. Let's print out obj dot out. Let's see if it is possible or not. It will give the error. Yes, no operator is defined here. Let's define here operator negation, and this is the function or method. Let's make here, I will make x is equal to minus x and y is equal to minus y. I have changed the definition here with this sign. This sign is used with this. This is the sign we have used here. This means they are of one object, and this is using, I have given definition here, so we can change the sign here. Let's make the object here and print it. It should give me with a negative value. Yes, it give me with negative value. Let's try and say one is negative and one is positive, so that you would be clear that it is really working for us. Let's run and see it, what it will do. Yes, there is minus 20. Yes, this is minus 20 is changed into 20, and 10 is changed into minus 10. Let's stop this video, and this is not last video of this series, and we will continue, and I will post other video also with Python series. I will try to post a video per day of C++ also with Python series, and we will know more about Python series in next video. We will start Python series from next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and help other people to learn by sharing and giving right information to them. Thank you for watching this video.